For the next row, we begin like this. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now, beginning from the next stitch, right after we chain 1, we are going to make a single crochet into each stitch, going all around, this time going through both loops of this stitch. So beginning with this stitch, one right after, make single crochets into each stitch. Once you've reached the end of the row, here's my last stitch. We're going to ignore this stitch over here that was created by the slip stitch from the previous row, and instead we're going to go into the space over here that we made that first chain 1. Go into here and make another slip stitch. And that's how we close a row. Again, we begin a row by chain 1, turn around, beginning from the next stitch, not the one with the chain 1, we begin making our single crochets all around. And again, when we reach the end, we're going to slip stitch into the space of the chain 1, and then chain 1, turn around, and continue on to the next row. Now we're going to continue making these rows until our sweater is big enough to divide for the sleeves.